Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Surah Baqarah, Ayat 122. Ya Bani Israel, azkuru ni'matallati an'amta alaykum wa anni faddaltukum alal alameen. English translation: O children of Israel, remember my favor that I have bestowed upon you and that I prefer you over the world. Word-to-word translation: Ya Bani, O children, Israel of Israel, Askuru, remember, Nimati, my favor, Allati, that, An'amta, I have bestowed, Alaykum, upon you, Wa inna, and that I, Faddaltukum, prefer you, Allah, over, Al-Alameen, the world. Explanation: this verse is an address to the children of Israel, reminding them of the special favor and blessing that Allah has bestowed upon them. The phrase "remember my favor" call upon them to reflect on the numerous blessings that receive, including guidance through Prophet, protections and provision. The verse also remind them of their distinguished status, that I prefer you over the world. This preference was due to the guidance and law given to them through their prophet, which set them apart for other nations. However, these distinctions came with the responsibility of adhering to the divine commandments and upholding the covenant with Allah. Reason for the revelation of this verse. The reason for the revelation is to remind the children of Israel of their past favor and the responsibilities that come with such blessing. It serves as a call to reflect on their history, recognize the guidance they have received, and adhere to the teaching of their prophet. This reminder aims to encourage them to return to the path of righteousness and fulfill their covenant with Allah. In the broader context of Surah Al-Baqarah, this verse is a part of a series of reminders to the children of Israel, highlighting their history of receiving divine favor and the importance of living up to their responsibility. It underscores the principle that with great favor comes great responsibility and accountability.